Good evening, students. Today we are going to see the other two types of heterotrophic plants from the lesson Nutrition in Plants. That heterotrophic mode of nutrition means plants which cannot produce their own food or depend on other green plants. And there are four types of heterotrophic plants. They are parasitic plants, saprotrophic plants, symbiotic plants, and insectivorous plants. Today we will be seeing to the two categories or two types of heterotrophic plants, that is symbiotic and insectivorous plants. The word symbiotic means there are some organisms which live together as friends and they share shelter and food. And in science, we call such relationship as symbiotic relationship. For example, leguminous plants like peas and beans share their shelter, food with another organism and maintain a symbiotic relationship between them. The plants let a particular type of bacteria live in its roots and also provide food for that bacteria. What this bacteria does in turn to the plants? Let us see to that. The bacteria converts the nitrogen present in the soil in a complex form into a simple form so that the plants can use that for the preparation of the food. In this way, both are benefited from each other. And so there is a mutual understanding that lasts between them and maintains this relationship forever. This bacteria is called as Rhizobium bacterium, which is commonly found in the root nodules of the leguminous plants. We can see symbiotic relationship between algae and the fungi. Algae prepares its own food through the photosynthesis process, so it offers the food prepared by it to the fungi. And the fungi shares water, nutrients and shelter to the algae. In this way, both are benefited from each other and it is together called as lichens. Let us see to the next major type of heterotrophic types of plants, which is nothing but insectivorous plants. We can understand from the name that it is an animal eating plant. There are two major types of examples in this insectivorous plants, that is Venus flytrap and the pitcher plant. The pitcher plant are plants which will eat the insects by attracting them towards it. The parts of the leaf are modified into trap organs which helps them for catching the insects. The hairs present in this pitcher plant holds the insects and does not let it escape. It produces digestive juice which helps to digest the insect and get the nutrients from it. These plants eat insects. As these plants grow in the nitrogen deficient soil or nitrogen less soil, in order to get nutrients that are absent in the soil, they eat the insects so that they can be fulfilled with the nitrogen requirements. We come to a conclusion that heterotrophic types of plants depend upon other plants for their food. So, we have looked into so many major contents in this lesson about the nutrition in plants and about the process of photosynthesis, the modes of nutrition and its types, about autotrophic mode of nutrition, heterotrophic mode of nutrition and its type. I have attached a link so that you can view how does a Venus flytrap plant trap its host. Thank you.